Welcome everyone, and thank you so much for joining in this very important update here on price action of Bitcoin. As we can see guys, the price of Bitcoin looks like it might be getting attracted towards the next area of confluence to the downside before deciding the trend direction. I mean, on my previous video I showed you guys that in the medium short term this rising wedge scenario could be playing out. Price following this price opportunity which sits around 61,000, finding bottom around that area and then slowly start with another continuation like this. I mean, after liquidating the over leverage longs, price testing the support which you had around 61,000 could be showing another continuation here like this, because in that case, right, we found out in that case we also will be testing one of the most important support from this Williams alligator indicator during uptrend, because during uptrend this indicator, you can see this green line, blue line, red line, right? This Williams alligator indicator has always acted as a strong line of support, and each and every time whenever we have seen this trend line being tested, it has acted as one very important support, and price after that has also started with a very bullish move. And right now if you look at it carefully, you can see guys, the price of Bitcoin is definitely testing the support from this Williams alligator indicator. So for us above 60,000 we have extremely important support line for Bitcoin, and this move what we are witnessing right now could be just a temporary pullback. And why temporary pullback? Because it's not just only this Williams alligator indicator acting as support. Parallelly, we are aware this basis line or the center line from this Bollinger Band will be also looked as support, because during uptrend, just like with this Williams alligator indicator, you can see just like this Williams alligator indicator, even the signal line or the basis line has acted as a strong line of support, which has resulted in a very bullish move. So in our case, the upper band got tested. Upper band only gets tested during uptrend, so this pullback here could be just a temporary pullback. Price coming to test the support around this basis line before finding bottom, before continuing with this actual bullish move, because I personally think this pullback what we are witnessing right now is a temporary pullback. And yes, we are also testing support from one of the most important trend line. I mean, support from this top, central and the bottom CPR line for this month of July, which is very important. I mean, if it fails to regain its trend after testing the support on 61,000 like this, then we are going to see this as a reversal pattern. But as long as we remain above this CPR line, as long as we remain above this basis line, as long as we remain above this Williams alligator indicator, this pullback could be just a temporary pullback. Because on my previous video I showed you guys, we are expecting few more sideways movement, even few pullbacks around 61,000 before finding bottom, before starting with an actual bullish move like this. So for us, price remaining above 60,000 means this reaccumulation phase from Wyckoff is still alive. I mean, we are not going to worry, but if the price loses the support which you have around 60,000, then it is going to be looked as a reversal pattern, and this entire move was just a fake out, and price after that is expected to show a move like this: lower highs, lower lows, continuation pattern type of formation. So that's why guys, that's why to avoid this bearish move, 60,000 support is extremely important. And now, even according to this bullish right angle broadening bottom pattern, you can see after breaking out from this upper trend line, which in the past price action acted as a strong line of resistance, looks like getting retested. Now we also have support. We have additional support from this right angle broadening bottom pattern. I mean, the upper trend line along with this, right, along with this CPR line, along with this Bollinger Band, the central line of the basis line, and even the support from this Williams alligator indicator around that area. So in case of pullback, you can see these trend lines will be there, but 60,000 support is not allowed to break, because breaking below that range means the price parallelly will be invalidating some bullish continuation pattern which is playing out right now. I mean, even after this bearish move, price remaining over 60,000 means we are going to see another continuation at least towards this 70,000, and only after that the price is expected to choose a twin duration, but until then you can see this here could be just a temporary pullback. And guys, before I continue further, I just want to overview you, if we haven't claimed this free 500 USDT futures position airdrop from Bybit, and in addition to that another 200 USDT futures position airdrop from Bybit, then I suggest you guys to check the video description, because this event is temporary. If you are an experienced trader, if you want to take advantage of this market volatility, then definitely check this out. Now let's switch the chart and let's look at this descending broadening wedge, because even according to this descending broadening wedge, the price objective is open, because we are expecting 71,000 to be tested before we look for another opportunity. But I just showed you guys above 60,000 we have extremely important support line for Bitcoin. So this pullback, as long as we remain above that range, means it is going to be looked as a temporary pullback. I mean, price after a move like this could be finding bottom and could be slowly getting attracted towards this target area, because we have found out not just only this descending broadening wedge, not just only this falling channel, not just only this right angle broadening bottom pattern, but in a daily time frame, even this right angle descending broadening wedge is pointing us that this upper trend line here for the coming days might be attracting us. So remaining over 60,000 means, you can see guys, this here, right, this here could be also forming a right shoulder. I mean, this here could be forming a right shoulder, which could be preparing ourselves for another continuation. So you can see this must be inverted head and shoulder. So getting attracted, right, getting attracted around 60,000 doesn't necessarily mean that we are bearish. It might be just a temporary pullback, price coming back to this some key line of support before breaking out like this. So that's why guys, that's why looking into different time frame, looking into different scenarios, 60,000 support is not allowed to break, because breaking below that means the price is going to invalidate all the bullish scenario which I just showed you, and we are going to look this as a reversal pattern, lower highs, lower lows, continuation, bearish continuation pattern. But for us, we are aware 60,000 or above 60,000 we have extremely important line of support line for Bitcoin. So as long as we remain over that range, there is nothing to worry about. So these were some of the quick update that I wanted to share with you in this video. If you enjoyed my work, then please guys, please do not hesitate to destroy that like button, and to those individuals watching this for the first time, to hit that subscribe button. And also a quick reminder, if you haven't claimed these free bonuses from Bybit, free bonuses from Phemex and OKX, then please check the video description. And by saying this, I'm signing out until next time. Bye bye.